Hi, this is Harald from A1 Driving School. Today we're showing you a video on who to give way to when approaching a cross intersection and going straight ahead. Let's go and have a look. When approaching a cross intersection where both the sides are either controlled by give way sign or stop sign and going straight ahead, we must give way to all the traffic crossing our path from our left and our right. That is because they are uncontrolled and we are controlled. Any traffic coming towards us crossing our path must give way to us. Thank you for watching our video on who to give way to when approaching a cross intersection and going straight ahead. We hope you found it useful. Next time we're showing you a video on who to give way to when following the road at a cross intersection where both the side roads are controlled by give way or stop.